All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Can you hear me,
Can you
please?
hear me,
One of
please?
you
One
unmute.
of you unmute.
Yes, brother, we can hear you. We can see your screen.
Thank you, guys.
Thank
Thank
you,
Yes,
you.
guys.
The
yes,
white,
Thank
the
you.
whiteboard, the whiteboard. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, the reason
Yeah,
why
the reason why
I
I am
am wanting this
wanting this white
whiteboard
board is
I have to
I
write
have
down
to
some
write down some
contents, like
contents,
some
like
information.
some
I want to give
information.
you
I want
some
to give you some
information first.
information first.
You have to know
You have
this
to know this
information
information before you go to the
charities,
live charities.
So
So
we need to
we need to
illustrate
illustrate something. We have to explain something, guys. First,
I hope
I hope you guys
ready
ready for this new technique.
Let us
Let us first say
which
which bears
can we trade
can we
first?
trade first.
Okay,
Okay, we trade gold.
Okay,
Okay, gold only
for
for good movies.
plus
BTC, USD. Okay, these two bears can make you millionaires, guys, only using this technique. Okay, this is the simplest SOB ever.
Let
me say a very simple SOB. That means even newbie traders can understand what I'm going to teach you. Okay, even someone who has started trading 1 month ago, 2 months ago can understand something very simple. You've hit several times. We must make trading simple. Let everything become simple. Okay? So all we use is only breakouts. Breakout
and
also only three time frames. Three time frames. Time frames. This is all we use. So what is the first thing you will keep in mind? It will be breakouts. First you get to know the breakout. So you have to understand in trading we have two setups. I don't know if you guys know or not, but we have two setups. One is continuation, all right? Let us say continuation. And the second one is reversal. So these are the two setups. Okay, these are the two setups we have. One is for continuation and one is for reversal. This is the only setups you have every day. Market will reverse or will continue. That's all you have. And if you get one of these setups, you have to know the probability of each setup. If we have continuation setup, this is low risk setup. If we have reversal setup, this is a high risk setup. So which setup would you prefer to trade the most? Which one? You always want something that will. You always want setups that have a low risk. Every time you will consider something that has low risk. Okay, I don't want to lose too much. I want setups that will give me high probabilities, high performance. Whenever I enter, it must not come back. It must give me sharp entry, sniper entry. Every one of you wants setups that has low risk. Every one of you. So when it comes on the chart, how can I know a reversal and how can I know a continuation? Don't worry. Because when you see breakout,
let me say
BO equals breakout.
So when you see
breakout, it indicates
trend
continuation, okay?
Trend
continuation.
When you want
a reversal,
we will
have what is called rejection.
And
what is defined rejection is when price touches on support level
or resistance level
with a wick or
candle,
right? You have to understand.
So
rejection equals to reversal. So this is always high risk.
And when you see breakout,
this is
low risk.
That
is
why
my systems are always based on what?
BO breakout.
So I'm giving you guys
solid
breakout system. Let it be TST or the one that I'm going to teach
you, the
market
rotation.
All my systems are based on what? Guys,
breakout.
So
breakout means low risk setups.
I hope you got
it.
So in a form of
illustration, let me
make you
understand how breakout looks like.
For example,
we have
classic A, which stands for resistance.
We know the basic SNR
types. Support and resistance.
Classic A, classic V,
gap
SNR, broken SNR. We have to understand them. RBS, SVR, whatever.
The basic
of SNRs. I have explained a lot about this. You have my PDFs, my videos, more explanations, guys. We have struggled, guys. So
right here,
when price
pushes
above the resistance,
in this point
here,
this indicates
breakout above a resistance. This is a breakout.
Which we can say
market
push it up. There is a
bullish momentum.
Moving from the
low till it breaks a
support or resistance.
You see, right now we have resistance.
It broke above the resistance. So how to understand the breakout? How can I understand
a breakout?
You can understand when a candle body closes above support level
or resistance.
Let me say
a full
body closure.
The candle must be
close above
with body closure. You have to understand when price closes bodily. For example, something like this. Let me say something
like
this. Okay.
Whenever you see
candle close above
resistance,
that means a
fail it. Okay,
BO.
That's
good BO.
But
if
for example
price
if the
candle, for example, let us say candle
wick
or let us say shadow touch.
That's
rejection. Okay? This will be rejection.
But when you see
candle is closing above, this is what is called breakout. This is what is called rejection.
You have to understand
they are not the same. So
for this
strategy, the
TMR,
the market rotation. Let me give you the rule. Let me give you the SOB. And you have to understand the breakouts. If you see
far as the time frame, if you see breakout like this, what is this?
This is
this breakout
here
is for
buy.
it indicates
this market will come back and then will go up. Okay, that means this kind of BO means buy. If you see breakout like this here,
this means
this
BO
is for
sell. I hope you get the point right now. So always you have to know the first breakout. I know you have several questions. Which time frame can I do? Where can I start it? How it looks like? Show me example. You have many questions in the mind. Please follow me.
I will show you all of them one by one.
Okay. If you get this,
if you understood, that's what I mean. If you get this, we have SOB. We have something to follow. You have to understand this first. We use breakouts and
3 time frames. So the
breakouts are also 3.
Okay. Put this in your mind. We have to get 3 breakouts. 3 breakouts. Okay. Plus what? 3 time frames. So all you will do is you have to find the 3 breakouts from 3 time frames.
This is
How?
the SOB.
This is the SOB.
Please,
This
remember it. Remember it. Do not forget it. Okay. Symbol.
SOB.
Remember
this. Okay.
Remember this.
BO1.
Okay. We have BO1,
and
BO2, and BO3.
So BO1.
BO1, BO2, BO3.
So you have to understand.
Where can I get my first?
I want to give you the multi-time frames.
The multi-time frames. How to use the time frames. Write down right now. Okay. Write down. So I get, for example, daily breakout.
My next breakout
that I wanna determine
or
find out is H4.
So my entry will be
breakout 3, which will be here.
All right. Sorry, it will be H1. It will be H1.
If I get H for breakout,
H1 is my
BO2.
So
BO3 will be M30.
So if H1
gives me a first BO, so second BO will be M30 and entry will be M15.
If M30 is my BO1,
M15 will be my BO2 and M5 will be my entry. So if M15 is my BO, M5 will be my BO2
and M1 will be my
entry. If M5 is my BO1, M1 will be my BO2 and M1 will be. This is the final.
I want to give you the illustration
that you guys
need. What is the BO?
What is the
BO1? What is BO1?
What is BO1? What is BO2? What is BO3?
This is the best SOB.
This is the best SOB. Put it in your mind. Remember,
okay?
Remember this. You have to remember this.
So we have to get, for example,
what is this?
These 2 kinds of setups. We
always buy or sell.
Our job is to buy and to sell.
How do we buy? Using 3 time frames with
3 breakouts.
3 breakouts with 3 time frames. Okay. For example,
for buying,
let us say like buy setup.
When I want to buy
Buy
setup, what will I do?
buy setup. What will I do?
Okay, you will have.
Okay, you will have.
BO.
Buy.
First, then.
BO.
Sell.
Sell.
Then BO.
Buy.
And you can use the time frame.
And you can use the time frame like this. For example,
it is at
BO buy.
It is at H.
Let me say it's at H4.
I got breakout buy.
H4, something like this.
Okay. At H4.
At H4.
Okay. When I want to
my second BO,
H1,
it will be H1, right?
So it will be BO sell.
I will weigh the price
until
it forms something like this.
BO sell.
And
then I will wait.
M30 to form what?
M30 to form
what? BO
buy. That means price
comes down
until it forms
something like this. Here.
And then
breaks.
So come back and then I will buy here. In full illustration, it is like this.
In full illustration, it is like this.
We have.
Look here. We have
BO buy for the buy.
setup. BO buy.
Okay, BO buy. Okay, then we have
BO sell.
Then we have BO buy. That is where the price will move.
So look here. BO
buy.
BO
sell.
BO
so
buy. So
I wanna
type it. BO buy here.
BO buy. Sell.
BO sell.
Buy. I'll show you everything on the charts. But
if you're asking which time frame, let us say like H1 gave BO buy, M30 gave BO sell, M50
is my BO buy in.
I hope you got the diagram, like how the illustration is. For
second setup, which is sell.
It's the offset, guys. Okay.
It's like this, guys. Let us go. Let us go,
guys. It is like this. We must get BO sell first.
Then
BO sell.
BO buy.
Then BO buy.
Then BO sell.
BO sell.
I know some of you are not getting it.
I know some of you are not getting it.
It's not like we learn now.
We learn now, we understand now. It's not like this. You have to practice it, and until you understand, you have to keep learning, guys. So let us say H1,
M30,
M30, and M.
I think after explanation,
you will know where you want to use BO buy, BO sell, whatever. Let us look if we have some friends joining. Wow. All right. Okay.
So now, how does it look like?
It
looks like
how does
for example,
it look like?
Right here.
It looks like
we have BO sell.
Right here we have BO sell. Market was moving up, then there is breakout. It move it down. We have here BO sell. Breakout sell.
BO sell.
Then
price started.
Breakout sell. Then price started pushing up again.
Okay, we have here. We have
BO buy.
Then after you see,
then
this
means market will go down.
Make something like this.
Makes something like this finally.
And then it will
break, and then it will drop
for
down.
No stress.
For no stress.
You have seen
most of my
and this is BO.
My setups, and this is BO.
Sell. If you are asking
Sell.
which time frame, guys,
if you are asking which time frame, guys, let us say this is 1 hour BO sell,
M30 BO
and
buy,
and
M15
30 BO buy.
Sell. It's the same. BO sell.
It's the same.
Here.
BO sell
BO buy here.
BO buy here.
Okay, then
BO
sell, and this means
BO sell, and this means selling setup.
There's nothing else I have.
I have for you guys. This is
so
the
all
example.
You need is to
so all you
have
need is to
information
have this information in your mind.
Is
there anyone of you who is not really understanding this information? Let me know before I go to give you more examples.
And what is called
the system is rotation. You guys can see market is rotating.
So this
is a cycle, okay? Market cycle, okay?
Cycle. So we call it the market rotation. The market rotation. The market rotation
cycle. So we call it market rotation. So I make it T.
So you have to understand this model is called.
So you have to understand this model is called TMR. Nobody created it. You have this
guys,
with me. So
any question?
Guys, do you have any question of this information right now? Before I go to the live chat, you can unmute if you have questions or write down. Hello.
Yes, brother. No questions at all.
Are you here?
No questions at all.
All
right. All right.
Okay.
No questions.
Okay, I will give you two examples.
One example is what happened yesterday, gold, and what happened today. Then go to the charities, make more examples, share it in next week or maybe this week. You can try this system on every market, but especially use gold or BTC. Those two berries are very good, guys.
So let me give you an example, okay?
I will give you an example, okay?
Okay.
I will clean this all this information, okay?
You have to remember, guys.
Okay. You have to remember, guys.
You have to remember what's called.
You have to remember what's called
the SOB.
You guys know the SOB. Always put in your mind and remember the SOB.
So for this market,
you guys can see. I'm using line with the candlesticks. That's moving average. If you guys want, it's here. This moving average. You guys can see. Okay.
I'm not hiding anything.
I'm not
giving you my
hiding anything. I'm giving you my
tools for free, my energy,
my system for free. I'm giving you my tools for free, my energy, my time, my knowledge for free.
So take it.
Okay. So take it.
Everything, guys.
Take it, everything, guys. And do not ask me signals. Do not ask me signals. Learn and make your own signals.
Okay, you don't need signals.
Okay, you don't need signals, guys.
So now you have this line, which is the moving average that I have with the candle charts.
So I have line charities plus the candlesticks, so that you can understand. So my friends, why did this market move it down? Why did this market move it down? If you remember, we entered here. We entered here, and then price push it down. Check out our history.
Also, this was yesterday,
right?
Today, you remember?
Price push it. We entered here.
I will give you the reason.
Two entries.
Are you with me?
Yes, brother.
Yes, we are following.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For the first
Thank you.
time, I use it.
The first time I
Okay,
use it. Okay. For yesterday's setup, I use it 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. So if you can see, guys, here,
mute yourself.
mute yourself.
Henry, mute
Henry,
yourself.
mute yourself.
Mute yourself. Henry, mute
Henry,
yourself.
mute yourself.
Henry, mute yourself.
Guys,
Camera.
please mute. Have respect for others, please.
Thank you.
So guys,
you see this breakout. Yesterday's setup.
What is this?
You guys can see something like this.
What is this?
What is this?
BO
for what?
BO for what?
BO for what?
Continuation.
For sell.
Use or terminal. Use or language
that I have explained. Okay.
BO
sell. Okay. BO sell. Which time frame? H1.
All right.
Are
you getting it now?
So we have 1 hour time frame. BO sell yesterday.
Okay.
I make there and
a line. Okay.
Put a line. Okay.
And then I put
line so that you will see where
my
BO cell is. I will put a box.
Then okay,
someone wants to join.
Okay, after that, what do I want?
Okay,
BO?
after
that is BO.
What do
cell.
I want?
What do I want,
BO?
please?
That is BO cell. What do I want, please?
BO by 30.
BO by M30.
I go M30. And then you guys can see.
You guys can see we got here.
We got here.
BO. There's another BO.
There's another BO.
It's still the same since you're still waiting.
It's still the same.
You have to see that there's
you're still waiting for, but you have to see that there's liquidity right here. You can still wait. If this breaks, you are not entering the market. Since you have BO sell, you always wait a sell. Not for a buy, okay? You are not buying it. You will have patience. You have to wait the right time to enter. If this breaks or if this gives you a fake breakout, you don't care. Since you have this, you must sell.
So you see then
there is a bullish breakout, then price go down again, another bearish breakout, right?
And then you see
price push it up. Bullish breakout, another bullish breakout. So this one is the BO.
What?
Buy.
That's
BO by
30 minutes.
30
yes.
minutes. Yeah.
So I place my line here. Little bit up.
Look.
There. And then what I will do is I will put the box all this region.
What I will do is I will put the box all this region.
So what do I want? I want my entry, right?
So what do I want? I want my entry, right?
15 minutes.
At which time frame?
15
minutes. I will go 15.
After 15 minutes, Price
after 15 minutes, price will struggle to push up, right?
Look here.
So
look here. After this,
After this, price push it.
There is no
clear breakout right here, which means BO
sell.
We don't have clear.
Price
come here,
push it up.
There is no breakout.
Go up. No breakout.
Here,
if you guys can see, here, you see that is clear breakout, right?
So we have here BO sell.
Yeah, so here
this
region is where we will have to enter. When I place here a line, there will be another line which will be below,
which is 1 hour breakout, the strongest resistance to sell.
Look.
I place a line here.
After I
place, where is my box? My box is here.
Of 15.
So
after
breakout
of 15 minutes, it means we have shifted.
It means we have shifted.
So after price retraces
back here, you can enter.
And you guys can check my
results, guys. You can check my results. After that,
starting from here. Look. Starting from here, this region. Sometimes
it can go up and touch here.
And it can touch even. But you guys can
see that we have another resistance. No matter, but your stop loss must always become be above the
your stop loss must be above the box since you are dealing with gold, guys.
Not small lot like here.
Here or here.
No. It must always become above the break. That will be the safest.
From this region, market will drop. And you remember, I insisted on holding all my positions
because of this.
Many guys
close it quickly.
Many guys
cut it in loss.
They have
lost lot of money.
And then I insist on holding it till the FOMC last night. And how many bips? 600 plus. 600 plus
bips yesterday. And today you remember what happened also.
And then look from there. 630.
630 bips. And 40 bips.
Are you safe right now? Do you understand
this one?
Did you get it, guys?
Before
I give you the next example.
Before I give you the next example.
Okay. So what happened today? Let me clean this one. What happened today? I started from 1 hour. Same like we have done it. You guys can see. Even if I switch
to H4,
it's very clear. The general breakout,
the main breakout,
the failed breakout. This indicates
you guys can see this indicates what?
Down.
Down.
Yeah, breakout. This breakout
indicates what?
It's telling us
we want to move down. We are still going down. That means we are still going down.
All right. I did not use the 4 hour. I use it
4 hour. I use it 1 hour. You can even use the 30 minutes. If you want
1 hour, it will be.
If you want 1 hour, it will be here.
For example, if you want to use 1 hour,
if you want to use 1 hour, breakout will be here. If you want to use 30 minutes, it will be here.
All right. So let us say I have used the 30 minutes.
They are similar. We have
only
a breakout sale. We have M30.
Let us say we have
M30 breakout sale.
M30 BO.
M30 BO. BO sale.
That
indicates we have a selling
opportunity.
We have selling opportunities. But you have to remember all this region is
where price has broken.
So
this is 1 hour.
This is 1 hour.
30 minutes.
We go 30 minutes. You guys can see
breakout buy, right?
Breakout buy, right? Look.
Okay, you guys can see very clear, right?
Okay, you guys can see.
So
very clear, right?
Yes.
So I place breakout buy. So
let me put
here
box.
And then find breakout.
Sell.
For this one in London, I even decided
to enter somewhere here, but it was not very good because of these liquidities resting here. So this breakout was not enough. Why? Because we wanted all low here to be broken. So price move it here. We have really base. Price did not break here. I told my members not to sell because we do not have a failed break. Then price again radiate,
base again,
base
and
again,
then radiate.
and then
So
radiate.
we cannot
So we
say this
cannot say
kind
this
of
kind of
breakouts a breakout.
breakouts a breakout.
But if you look
But
at
if you look
here,
at here, there is
resistance
resistance that are
hidden here.
hidden here. Look, look,
Look.
look.
This candle
This candle
make
make what?
breakout.
Breakout.
It broke it.
It broke it.
As soon
As
as
price
break
break
here,
here, I told my VIP
sell
members, sell
gold now.
gold now.
Sell gold.
Sell gold.
Whenever
Whenever
price
break this resistance,
we
place
place
it more
positions
positions here.
After
price comes back,
add layers.
we add layers.
But
you have to remember,
since this
this
is
is the breakout region, price
there is
for SL.
Okay?
Okay?
So 15
minutes,
15 minutes
15 minutes
entry
was there.
And then
our box was there.
Breakout
and pullback.
You guys can
see
very clear. After the breakout, after this candle breakout,
after
this
candle breakout,
this
this candle is pullback.
And
I hope you have more examples in my groups. You guys can check all the setups that I have posted last month and last week and even this week.
So I hope you
guys,
understood the reason
we took that sell, and you guys can see from there
this entry here. How many bips?
Entry till here. How many bips?
Can you mute yourself?
Who's that?
From there we got 630 bips.
30 bips.
So
that's what I told you guys.
If we get 640 bips.
640 bips.
40 bips yesterday.
40 bips yesterday.
And we have today
630 bips.
In 2 days.
In 2 days.
970 right?
And 70 pips, right?
In 2 days.
2 days.
What about if you are scalping?
50
pips?
100
pips will be safe.
100 pips
Don't worry.
Safe, bruh.
Don't worry. This system will give you
this
safe.
System will give you safe 100 or 50.
I always make things simple. Not complicated. So all you see TMR is here. I think you have all the stuff,
all the information. There's nothing else with this new technique. All you need to understand is the risky management, proper risky management, and also identifying the failed breakouts. You have to understand the correct breakouts. If you have any questions, guys, come up.
Okay.
Yeah, hey Abdi, I'm Ricky. Yeah, just wanted to ask you like okay, whenever we say breakout, right? We only focus on QM type of breakouts, like it has to produce a high, then a higher high, then a lower low, or like a new high and new low, or we can also consider like internal breakout.
The second one can be internal.
The second one can be internal, but the first it must be a failed breakout.
First, you have to know the
failed breakout. That indicates continuation. Failed breakout indicates continuation. You have to understand it. The first one, it must be external, not internal.
The second one, which is
BO2,
can be internal, no problem.
It can be internal,
no problem.
Yeah,
and
the
second one.
The second one.
Yeah, the second one can be
the second one can be internal.
Even the entry
cannot be internal. It must be
the
external.
entry one. It
indicates
Yeah. So you said like, okay, the second breakout can be internal because anyway we have to continue in that direction after we have the third breakout. That's why you said internal, right?
Yeah, the internal, the one that can be internal is the one
Yeah,
of
the one
BO2.
that can be internal,
BO1
the
must
one
be
must be
external.
external.
BO2 it
BO2
can
it
be
can be
internal.
internal.
BO3 must
BO3 must
also be
also be
external.
external.
But
Yeah,
But
sometimes there
perfect.
sometimes
is ranging.
ranging,
When there is
when there
ranging,
is
I will
ranging,
show
I
you
will
more
show you
example
more
on the
example
next
on the
live
next
session.
live sessions.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
thank you. Yeah, cleared everything what I need to know. Thank you.
you're
You're
welcome, brother.
welcome, brother.
Anyone else
Anyone
who's
else
going to
who's
ask?
going to ask?
Okay, this is Henry. Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
this clarification. At least now I can understand where some things came today. I only saw you drawing lines. I didn't see what was happening. I wouldn't understand by that time. But at least now I have a clear picture. I think I need to just do more back testing to understand and also to go in line with the best SOPs that we have so far.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
All right. All
Thank you,
right.
bro. I have one question that is how to choose a valid breakout point.
It must be
It
close,
must
body
be close,
closure.
body
That's what I
closure.
said.
That's what
Body
I said.
closure.
Body
Failed
closure.
breakout
Failed
means body
breakout means
closure.
body
It
closure.
must be
It
close
must be close
above
above
resistance with
resistance
body
with body
or
or
below
below
a support
a
level
support
with body.
level with
That's the
body. That's
failed
the
one.
failed one.
And
And
when it
when
is a
it
failed,
is a
it means
failed,
it
it
must
means
follow
it
the
must follow
direction.
the
Let me
direction.
show
Let
you
me
some easy way to know the
show
direction.
you some
One thing is like
easy way
you
to know the
can
direction. One thing is like you
use
can
something like this. Let me know how
use
price
something
is
like
moving.
this. Let me
For
know
example,
how price is moving. For
I go
example, I
and then
go
look at
and
if
then look
price
at
is
if
moving
price is
in
moving
which direction. From
in which
there,
direction. From
price
there,
was moving down,
price was moving down,
breaking,
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 breaking.
breaking.
That means
That means
downtrend anyway.
downtrend anyway.
When you
When
see a
you
bearish
see a
Yeah,
move,
bearish,
yeah, when you
yeah,
see
when
a
you
bearish
see a bearish
breakout,
breakout,
it's a failed
it's a
breakout.
failed breakout.
Since
Since
the direction
the
is
direction
downtrend.
is downtrend.
So all we
So
want
all
is
we want is
understanding the art
understanding
of
the
the
art of
storyline, the art
storyline,
of
the art
direction,
of direction,
the
the
bias.
bias.
So when
So
I
when
get a
I
bearish
get a bearish
breakout,
breakout,
that means
that
my
means my
setup is
setup is
flowing
flowing
with the
with
direction,
the direction,
and it will be
and it will
very
be
easy
very
to
easy to
identify
identify
where my
where my
entry will
entry
be.
will
It will
be.
be
It
for
will be
sale,
for
but
sale,
I have
but I
to
have
follow
to
the
follow
RT
the
of the
RT of the
storyline.
storyline.
BO buy,
BO
BO sell,
BO
BO
sell,
buy,
BO
then
buy,
BO
then
sell. Then
BO
I
sell. Then
follow
I
it.
follow
So
it.
simple.
So simple.
You are not
You are not
combining it with
combining it with
other
other
stuffs. You can
stuffs. You
add it,
can
it's
add it,
okay.
it's
But
okay. But
do you want to
do you want to
be
be
like
like
less
less
confusion, no
confusion, no
stress?
stress?
Use only
Use
this
only
method.
this
Do
method.
not
Do
add
not
other
add
stuffs,
other
guys.
stuffs, guys.
Blah blah
Blah
blah
blah
blah.
blah
Oh,
blah. Oh,
stop it,
stop
guys.
it, guys.
Make it
Make
easy.
it easy.
Make it easy.
Make it
This
easy.
will work
This
for you. I am
will
sure
work for
90
you.
percentage,
I am sure
99
90
percent, even
percentage, 99
100%.
percent, even
I'm sure it will
100%.
work for you.
I'm
But
sure it will
do
work
not
for you,
combine it
but
with
do
other
not
stuffs,
combine it
guys.
with other stuffs, guys.
Trust me, yo.
Trust me, yo.
Yo, guys.
Yo, guys.
Trust me.
Trust
So
me.
if you have
So if you
another
have
question, guys,
another
let us
question,
come on
guys,
the Telegram. You guys can contact
let
me
us come
on
on the
private. And thank you
Telegram.
for
You guys
the
can contact me
participants.
on private. And thank
I
you
hope
for the
this will make
participants.
money.
I
This
hope
will make
this will
you
make
a profitable
money.
also,
This
guys.
will make you
So
a
by the way,
profitable also,
it's
guys.
over. I
So by the
recorded this
way, it's
session
over.
and
I recorded the
I will
session
send it in
and
the
I will
One
send
Mission
it in
community.
the
So have a
One
good
Mission
night.
community. So have a good night, all of you.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
bro. Thank
Thank
you.
Thank
you
you
Good
so
so
much.
much.
night.
Thank you
You're
for
welcome.
Thank you.
continue.
You're welcome.
You're
I can
welcome.
understand
You're welcome.
the market. It's easy. It's easy to understand with TML. Right now,
Thank you,
Thank
before
Landry.
yeah, Landry.
it becomes difficult for me because I attend the two meeting the before, but
Okay.
for now
Okay.
it's the change for me. Right
Uh,
now
Well,
I understand it. Thank you
I
for
know,
that.
I know, I
For to
know,
sharing
I
Landry.
know,
to us.
I know,
Yes.
Landry.
I
You
know,
are
Len.
good,
You are
good
good
learner, good
learner,
student.
good
Because I
student.
remember
Because I
you
remember
in our
you
sessions
in our
of
sessions
TST.
of
You have
TST.
learnt a
You have
lot.
learnt a
You were
lot. You were
practicing, and your
practicing, and
results
your
were really
results
good.
were
I'm
really
sure
good. I'm
this
sure
this week you will post a lot of stuff. You have the knowledge of TST. You can apply in this one TMR. Let me see your win rates next week. Maybe next week it is not good. It will be a holiday, but I'm sure, guys, we can have more back testing. You guys can host Zoom. You guys can even open the voice chat, video chat, share knowledge with one another.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Great, guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Abdi. Have a good night.